Hello and welcome to Michael Pepper Tech. In today's video, I have a quick unboxing of the iPhone 16 Pro Max. This is the white model, 512 gig. Yes, I know it's August 2025. In another video, I'll explain why I'm picking this phone up just now and why I had this phone before, left it, and then now coming back to it. So stay tuned to that video, and of course, let's get into the unboxing. So as you see on this side, you have the iPhone, Apple logo, iPhone. On the top is the Apple logo. And of course, around back is all the information, model number, storage capacity, and all of that information listed back there. And of course, the pull tabs, and down at the bottom is another pull tab. Let me get those off real quick and we'll get into it. So I got those pull tabs off and we're just going to quickly get this out. And there's a first look. The white titanium kind of has a silvery gray look to it. Of course, lift this up, and in the box you just get the cable. Underneath you get some in a little notebook, a little guide there, and that is it. Does come with a nice braided cable to match the iPhone, which I have cables around, so I tend to just leave those in the box until I need it. Close it up. I will be putting a case on this. I will do kind of an initial setup video, and I'll be back with that. I just wanted to kind of show you, in case you haven't seen this model, what it looks like. Very nice silver around the sides there, camera control button, speakers, USB-C, and of course that beautiful display up front. Let me get it set up and I will be back with a setup video for you all. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and of course stay tuned to the channel for more content like this and for more content on this phone as I use it going into the end of 2025 into 2026 as new models come out, and just discussions of the like on that. Thanks for watching. Peace and love. Please consider subscribing if you're new to the channel. Give this video a like. Please share it on all your social medias. Check my social media links out in the description down below. And of course, leave a comment with a hot pepper if you've watched all the way to the end. Thanks for watching.